problem. The number A is 110% greater than the number B. The number B is 90% less than 47. What is the value of A? Now, most students will get this wrong because they would multiply B by 1.1. But we have to be very careful here. So A, write the correct equation, is going to be equal to, now let me just write this as B. We're increasing by 110%, so it's going to be plus 1.1. 110% is the same as 1.1. B, which is going to be equal to 2.1b. So A is going to be equal to 2.1b. Got to be very careful with that. Now the next piece here is that the number B is 90% less than 47. So B is going to be 90% less than 47. So if I do 47, decrease this by 90%, so it's going to be 0.9 times 47. That's going to give me roughly 4.7. So my B is then going to be 4.7. Now if my B is 4.7, then my A is then going to be equal to 2.1 times 4.7, and that will simply give me 9.87.